Hi my beautiful ladies, welcome back to my channel, and I'm back again with another interesting video for you. And today's video would be the unboxing of the Blush Boxx for the month of March 2018. I'm very excited to unbox this. Let's quickly start unboxing this and reviewing the product quickly. So this is the packaging. Looks very cute and very compact. This is a paper cardboard box with the combination of blue and a pink print, and the print on it is very girlish with all the cosmetic prints in it. And you have their website mentioned here at the side, and the packaging behind is quite plain and simple. So as soon as we open the box, we get to see the two lovely vouchers from Nature's Co and MCaffiene. So this card gives you the details of the product you are getting in your Women's Day special, the Blush Boxx edition, with the pricing and the quantity, and the total worth of this box is 1720 rupees, which you would be grabbing for just $3.99. Okay, so yeah, so let's quickly unbox this. We get to see the packaging wrapped in the butter sheet, and as soon as I open the packaging, the butter sheet of this one, so the first product I get to see is the Mond'Sub mask, 3-in-1 mask. So this covers your ears, neck, face. Okay, the next product is the toner, Olaiva Skin Clarifying Toner, and this is of 125 rupees. And my next product is, wow, this is my favorite one. This is the Nature's Co Tea Tree hair cream. This is for your hair. Is worth 525 rupees. Just one product is of 525, and your box is of 399, and the quantity is also well sufficient, 125 ml. You are getting a hair nourishing cream which helps in shining your hair and treats your hair, the scalp, etc. So lovely. My next product is the Silver Caffeine face gel. This is the face gel. This is quite transparent, and what this claims as, this helps in nourishing your skin. Okay, so the second one, so worth of 329 rupees, 25 ml. Lovely. So I would definitely try this. So this is my Silver Caffeine glow gel. This is the transparent gel. You just have to apply it on your face. So you just have to apply it and leave. So lovely. And my last product in the box is my lip cream, a lip balm. So this is my lip balm in vanilla flavor. This is of 199 rupees. So the packaging is very decent and very nice. This is the lip balm. Let's open. Lovely color, and this smells exactly like vanilla. Okay, so I have just swiped this on my hand. This is not tinted. So my beautiful ladies, to conclude, this was my Blush Boxx for the month of March Women's Day special edition. So these were the products which I loved it, and definitely I'll give a thumbs up for this one. And if you have liked this video, please click on like button and subscribe my channel so that we stay connected, and I'll get you more interesting videos. And for suggestions on the kind of videos you want to watch, please write me on 7.lookatme.6@gmail.com, and I'll try my best to get them on air as soon as possible. So until my next video, stay happy, stay blessed, and I'll see you soon with another interesting video. Until then, take care. Bye.